I bought this used Wii console, got the Wii Fit Plus as well. The Wii's is very old, so I'm interested to see if it will actually work. Looking inside the box, I got a few remotes, one already in its sleeve. There seems to be a spare sleeve as well and another remote, which is already great. Apparently, it comes with Wii Motion Plus, which already sounds like something fancy. There's also this game, Mario Kart. Haven't played this before, but it should be fun. There seems to be another remote. Don't know if it's working, but we'll test it out soon enough. Then there's a bunch of cables to connect to the TV set. The power adapter's here as well. This adapter is also included, which was probably used back in the day, with a bunch of manuals. Holder for the console is included, and of course, the Wii console itself. The main attraction, this is the Wii Fit Plus. I got this as a bundle, and I'm very excited to see if this works. It also came with this Wii balance board. If this thing works, I will be extremely happy. This would make it a special buy for me. So that's what I got in the used Wii bundle. Will work on my TV set. In the next video, we'll connect everything up and see what happens. Please consider subscribing.